Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will be recreating this prom look that we recently filmed, and the video happened to cut out everything I did for my eye look. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, it was just a couple videos back. We created this prom look, so in today's video, I will be recreating that look since you guys didn't get to see what I did. So if you guys want to keep on watching, go ahead and we'll just get right into it. I'm going to be taking the Peach palette by Kylie. Then I'm going to start with this shade right here. It's called Sorbet. I'm going to be taking that in the crease as like a transition shade. I've already set my eyelids with concealer and some translucent powder. So we're just going to blend that in the crease. Take a little more, and then just keep blending that. The key is to blend, just so you don't create any harsh lines and everything looks really smooth. Now we're gonna go with the other eye. And just do the same thing. You just really want to build the color up and just keep blending it. It'll make it like a smooth transition for any other shades that you use. Okay, so you could see that color is really built up nicely. And then next I'm going to be taking this shade right here. It's like a very corally, peachy pink color. And then I'm just gonna continue to put that in my crease. Just blend that. I'm starting in the outer corner and then I just move towards the inner corner. And just same thing, just keep blending. And I'll just blend those two colors so that they blend together really nicely. And then the next color I'm going to take is this like terracotta color. It's a little bit darker and more like a burnt orange. And then I'll just strictly put that in my outer V. You just pack it on and then kind of blend it in just a little bit, just so it's not so harsh. And then I'll take it down to the lid and just blend it in a little bit. And as you can see that this palette has a lot of color payoff. So it's really nice. And then since I want the outer corners to be just a little bit more deeper, I'm going to take the 35W palette from Morphe, and then I'm going to take this darker brown shade into that corner. I'm going to switch my brush to like a little bit of a smaller pointed tip brush, just so I can go into that color and really define where I want it. So I'll just place that on the outer V and just really kind of smoke that color out. And with this color, the darker color, you want to start with just a little bit on the brush and then you want to build it up. You don't want to go directly and make it really harsh. So I just blend that out just to give it some depth. I'm just going to continue to deepen that brown shade in the crease. And then I'm just going to take a clean blender brush and just blend all those shades together. Just to ensure that I don't have any harsh lines. Alright, so now for the lid shade, I'm going to take some setting spray and then this flat tipped brush or dome tip brush, and then I'm just gonna spray the brush just because we're gonna be using a glittery type color and I want as much of that pigment to get onto the brush and transfer onto the lid because we really want to see that color pop. So I'll just take that, I'll start on the inner corner and then I'll bring it onto the lid, to the center of the lid. And as you can see, this shade is a really pretty gold shade. And I'm gonna stop right in the center with that shade. And I don't think I showed the color, but it's this really pretty shade right there. And then I'm just gonna take the brush one more time and then do the left eye. Again, starting in these towards the inner corner and then building it up into the center of the eyelid. And then to make sure that the gold shadow is blended with the outer V, I'm going to take this terracotta color again, shade Duchess, and just take this little blending brush and just kind of start in the center and blend it so that it doesn't look like the gold just stopped right in the center of your eye. You want it to flow. I'm going to take just a little bit of this Revlon liquid liner. So I'm just gonna stick with a smaller wing. Very simple, smaller wing. I'm going to be taking these lashes by Kiss in the style Boudoir. I think I'm saying that correctly. And then I got these lashes from Walgreens and I think they were like $5, so they're not expensive. They do only just come with the lashes. They don't come with any glue or anything, but I think they're really pretty for how cheap they are. And then anytime I put lashes on, I always like to curl my lashes and then put a little bit of mascara on before. And then the reason we put mascara on before or even after is to make sure that the false lashes and your real lashes blend together. So I'll just take a little bit of this mascara and coat my lashes. And then for these lashes, I've already pre-measured and pre-trimmed them. So what I'll do next is put some glue on. I use the Duo glue in black. And I like this lash glue. The only problem I have is that it smells like fish, so. But I've learned to get over that. And I'll put them on both lashes first, because you don't want to go directly, you don't want to put them on directly after you put the glue on. You want the glue to get a little bit tacky and dry a little bit before you place them on, just because it'll be easier and they won't slip and slide around. So I'll let those dry for a little bit, and then I'll place them on one eye at a time. And then what I like to do is just take my fingertips and then push them. I just like to make sure that they are pushed against my normal lashes so that I can't feel them or anything when I'm blinking. So there we have the lashes on. These ones are nice because they're not too dramatic and they don't take up they don't cover up my whole eye. These look really pretty with the eye look because it doesn't take away from the eye look at all. Alright, to smoke out my lower lash line, I'm going to be taking the shade Duchess. I'm gonna go as close to the waterline as I can and just smoke it out. And for this, I'm using a little small pointer pencil brush. And then I'm going to be taking the dark brown shade from the Morphe palette. And then I'll just push that right underneath as well, blending it with that terracotta shade. And then I will finish off my face look. I'm just gonna put some bronzer and blush and then a little bit of highlight, and then I will be back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I just put on some bronzer and blush and a little bit of highlight, and I used this new Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick in Amazonian. I just thought it kind of went with this orangey, like terracotta eye look. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big huge thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to watch all of our other videos, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.